Welcome to Pydle Day 109. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. So today's Pydle is Mario from Super Mario Brothers. So have a go at solving this. If you're new to Pydle, then stick around. I will now solve yesterday's Pydle, and hopefully you'll get some tips on how to approach these problems. Okay, yesterday's Pydle was Nick Fury. So let's tackle this. I'm going to use list comprehension and extracting three variables, I, X, and Y. For some puzzles, it's quite handy to have the index of each pixel from left to right, from 0 to 24. So that's handy because we can then address individual pixels just by a single number rather than X and Y coordinates. So you could say for I, X, Y in, I'm going to use list comprehension, return a tuple, and the tuple is going to contain I remainder 5, and I integer division 5. So that would then deconstruct into our I, X, and Y. And you just say for I in range 25. If you're not familiar with this comprehension, then I would encourage you to go to W3 schools and learn a bit more about it. Okay, so let's tackle the whites first. So we can simply say if I in, and we create a immutable list which is a tuple, and the indexes are 6, 20, 24. So if you count at 0, 4, 5, 6, that one's 24, 23, 22, 21, 20. Okay, so those are the pixels we're interested in. Then we just say Pydle X, Y. And the character, we're going to worry about the pupil of the eye a little bit later. And that those are white. Okay, there you go. So we've got those pixels. Then we say else if, and now we're going to use the negative else if I not in, because there's only a few of them, and the blacks are basically 2 in a cluster of 8, 9, 13, and 14. Say those are brown. Okay, so all that's left to do is the pupil. Okay, and the pupil is a black circle emoji. Should be available on all devices. And we say if I equals 6, else. Okay, so if I equals 6, 4, 5, 6, and draw the white circle which to form the pupil. Otherwise, do nothing for the other whites. So that only applies to the whites. So we only have those 3. Okay, I run that, and that solves the Pydle. I would encourage you to have a go at solving Mario. There's quite a lot going on, lots of different colors, but it's quite a fun one. And I will see you again tomorrow with a solution.